It's beginning to look a lot like Advent. Oh my goodness, y'all. That time of year has already come round again. And it is literally the most beautiful time of the year because you already saw from the title, it is Madam Glam's Advent Calendar Series time. Okay, y'all, I can't hold in the excitement. So for today, December 1st, Madam Glam has cooked up a treat, but not just today. We have 12 days of glam. So make sure that you are subscribed and follow every day as we unbox a new day of Advent. This Advent box is also TPO free and HEMA free, and every full-size item in this box has the formula that you already know and love. Whew, I am shook, y'all. Between the Great Gatsby theme, all of this red and gold detailing, I am madly in love, and I cannot wait to see what each day has in store. So similar to previous years, there is tools and other goodies, but I did not watch any of the spoiler videos. I just wanted to be able to unbox this day by day and enjoy the surprise. So let's get into day one. For day number one, we have the most stunning rubber base coat. Now, this rubber base coat has a built-in color, and that's what makes this so much more special. This deep red actually has a jelly hue, and you can stack it for either a deeper color or a more sheer color with less coats. I am so madly in love with this. I just kept screaming, I need to put cat eye on top of this. So we are going to swatch this color today, and then as the Advent Calendar series builds up and we have more goodies, we're going to start doing full tutorials and designs with all of the goodies that the Madam Glam elves have delivered to us. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how much it meant to have this under the tree. A huge thank you to Madam Glam for sponsoring this year's Advent Calendar. I get really emotional around this time because almost 5 years ago was the first time I ever got to try their Advent Calendar, and my partner actually purchased it for me. And then for the past 4 years, they have been sponsoring and sending the box over so I can make all of the magic. And trust me, I am going to go all out. We're not only reviewing this box, we're going to be doing detailed art. I'm going to be showing you how to do different, very popular designs like plaid and snowflakes, but we're also going to do some character art. We're going to do a little bit of everything with this box, and we are going to maximize all of the precious colors that they send us. Oh my days, now let's get back into this color. Now first, this is with one coat, and I'm going to show you it built up with two. This glass finish, whether you put chrome, if you do snowflake detailings, cat eye, like this is going to be the one you want to gravitate to, because not only is this going to make your nails stronger, but also help with breaks, because rubber base coat allows your nails to kind of flex and bend, but not shatter. So this just provides such an extra strength, especially for people that have weak and brittle nails. Madam Glam, you already started off with a huge hit. I am so madly in love with day one, and I can't wait for tomorrow for day two and for us to get into the details of this magical box. Thank you for coming into today's video, day one of the Advent Calendar series, and I can't wait to spend the next days counting down to Christmas with this magical box. I am sending you so much love and light. Merry Christmas from my home to yours. See you in the next one.